Made with coconut, almond and avocado oil. It replenishes nutrients that provide shine. Luster, leaving hair manageable and beautiful. Leaves hair nourished, manageable and beautiful. Length retention. OK Deep Moisturizing Coconut Oil Hair Care helps retain length by restoring moisture, hydration and elasticity into the hair shaft. Strengthening the hair by penetrating and bonding to each strand, effectively preventing hair breakage and split ends. Strengthen hair. Coconut oil is known to deeply penetrate the hair shaft and bind with the proteins in the strands to help prevent protein loss and hygral fatigue. Coconut oil helps stop breakage and split ends in their tracks. Deep Moisturizing. OK Deep Moisturizing Coconut Oil Hair Care helps moisturize and hydrate hair, restoring elasticity and manageability to the hair strands, which fights breakage and restores strength into the hair strands. OK Coconut Hair Care promotes hair growth and length retention. OK Deep Moisturizing Coconut Hair Care. Using our complete OK Deep Moisturizing Coconut collection consisting of shampoo, conditioner and leave-in will help moisturize, replenish and hydrate hair strands. Restoring elasticity, strength and manageability to the hair. Fortifying hair strands, preventing breakage and split ends. Top reviews from the United States. So silky and shiny. Leave your hair soft and silky, no flyaways, and the smell of coconut is so nice and fresh.